So I just want to start with thank you so much. So like now I have 2,000 subscribers and Uttoki introduction video ke 12,000 views vastayi anukoledu. Thank you so much. And also I'm speaking really loudly right now because I don't know if you can hear me or not. Mic order chesanu feel avakandi, but it's gonna take like 2 days to come in because of the Amazon thing, and I ordered today. So yeah, I'm actually really happy. Thank you guys so much. You guys are all so nice. Sorry pedal dry ఉన్నాయి ఏం చేయాలి లాస్ట్ వీడియో చూస్తుంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది నా బాధ. I made a little clip of my trip to DC today. I hope you guys enjoy it. అంత మాటలు ఉండవు కానీ సో I know నన్ను మిస్ అవుతారు నేను మాట్లాడను కాబట్టి వీడియోలో అంతా, but give it a thumbs up and subscribe because this is crazy. YouTube sent me an email. I didn't know they did that. I was like, they were like, congratulations for the 2,000 followers. I was like, what? That's crazy. Yeah. Also, if you have any questions or anything, leave them down below on this video, and I will be doing a Q&A in my next video, which I'll probably rep film chestanemo, and then I'll drop it Sunday. I'm gonna try to drop this video tonight for me, which is morning for you. Thank you so much again, and hope you guys really enjoy the video. So this is Meghaanaaa signing off. Also, speaking of, not giving out a manchi. Like, I want a different username. Meghaanaaa notate. It's like very like generic. Like, I don't know if you guys have any suggestions. Please feel free to drop them below. And now you guys can get into the video. So thank you so much again. Bye. So now I'm in my car on my way to go pick up my friend, and then we're gonna go take the metro to DC. Don't drive and videograph. So now we're on the metro. Why are you laughing? Because and my friend here, she knows Telugu. Say sit down. Kucho. Chusara na tonnollandarki నేను తెలుగు నేర్పిస్తున్నాను. It's a great thing to do. Teach your friends Telugu, guys. Okay, bye.
Going overboard, I don't wanna stop now. You just struck a chord, spinning me around. It's the energy, it's the chemistry. Oh, give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need your loving. Give me something. All or nothing. Keep me buzzing. Fire in your eyes, striking me like lightning. Woman of my soul, always hypnotizing. It's the energy, it's the chemistry. Oh, give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need your loving. Give me something. All or nothing. Keep me buzzing.
garden somewhere in DC. Figure it out. But it's so beautiful here. ఎంత బాగుందో చూడండి. I love nature, guys.
I need your loving. Yeah, give me something. Oh,